If Adobe Photoshop keeps freezing or showing not responding on Windows 11, don't worry. This is a very common issue, and in most cases, it's very easy to fix. The problem is usually caused by GPU conflicts, corrupted preferences, low RAM allocation, temporary files, or an outdated version of Photoshop. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step, starting with the simplest solution and moving to the more advanced ones. Make sure you follow them in order for the best results. And if this helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Windows 11 and Adobe fixes. Let's get started. The first thing you should try is force closing and restarting Photoshop. Sometimes Photoshop just hangs temporarily and doesn't fully crash. To fix this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, look for Adobe Photoshop in the list. Click on it, then select End Task. This completely stops the program and clears any temporary memory locks. Now reopen Photoshop normally and see if the issue is resolved. If it works fine now, then it was just a temporary freeze. If Photoshop continues freezing, the next most common cause on Windows 11 is GPU acceleration. Many freezing issues happen because of graphics driver conflicts. To disable GPU acceleration, open Photoshop, then go to Edit at the top, click Preferences, and choose Performance. Inside the Performance panel, look for the option called Use Graphics Processor and uncheck it. Click OK, and then restart Photoshop. After restarting, test it again. If the freezing stops, that means your GPU driver is likely the issue. In that case, you should update your graphics driver from the NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel website later for a permanent fix. Now let's check your RAM allocation. If Photoshop doesn't have enough memory available, it can become slow or completely unresponsive, especially when working with large files. Go back to Edit, then Preferences, then Performance. At the top, you'll see the memory usage slider. Increase it to around 70 to 80%, depending on how much RAM your system has. Don't set it to 100% because Windows still needs memory to run smoothly. Click OK and restart Photoshop. This allows Photoshop to use more system memory and can significantly reduce freezing. Another common issue is large temporary files. Photoshop creates temp files while working, and if they build up, they can slow everything down. To clear them, press Windows key plus R to open the Run box. Type %temp% and press Enter. This opens your temporary files folder. Look for files that start with Photoshop Temp and delete them. You can also safely delete other unnecessary temporary files in this folder. Once done, restart your computer and open Photoshop again. Next, make sure your Photoshop is fully updated. Running an outdated version can cause stability problems on Windows 11. Open Adobe Creative Cloud, go to the Apps section, and check if there's an Update button next to Photoshop. If there is, click Update and wait for it to complete. Updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. If Photoshop freezes only when opening files or using certain tools, the issue is almost always related to GPU acceleration or corrupted preferences. Disabling the GPU or resetting preferences usually fixes it immediately. So to quickly recap, force close Photoshop, disable GPU acceleration, increase RAM allocation, clear temp files, and update the app. One of these solutions fixes the problem in most cases. If this video helped you fix Photoshop not responding on Windows 11, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple and effective tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.